Why don't you tell that nice girl you love her?
Hey, cuckoo. You have become cuckoo now. You're not a puppy now. Balu.
I'm going to make spaghetti with meatballs now.
Can you try and make with corn? Because I want to see if the corn can make meatballs.
Yeah, it doesn't adhere, does it?
No.
Not so well.
What
I'm going to make it with meatballs and sausage.
Meatball, bought meatball.
Yeah, for the first time.
You don't know Nisha what they put in.
I know. If any of you have seen The Godfather 1, and there's that scene where Clemenza, he's a big chunky Italian guy, is making enough pasta to feed 20 men. And Michael's just had a phone call from Faye Dunaway and he couldn't say I love you on the phone. I've been really, really craving meatball spaghetti made according to Clemenza's little special recipe. And I just love the fact that Ford Coppola thought it was important enough to put that whole recipe into the film. So I want to try it because maybe there's something in it.
You see? You start out with a little bit of oil, and you fry some garlic. Then you throw in some tomatoes, tomato paste, you fry it, you make sure it doesn't stick. You got it to a boil, you shove in all your sausage and your meatballs. Huh? And a little bit of wine. And a little bit of sugar. Throw in some tomatoes. And that's my trick. Tomato paste, you fry it, you make sure it doesn't stick. You got it to
Do you remember that thing about the oil coming through the tomatoes? So that's their phrase for it, isn't it? You got to fry it so it doesn't stick. That's what I'm doing. Okay?
And that's my trick. Once you cut the tomatoes, tomato paste,
A little bit of sugar, and
make
that's
sure it
his
doesn't
trick.
stick.
Sonny's kicking off now. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, I've tasted this sauce, and it tastes amazing. I put a lot of sugar in, a lot of sugar. It tastes so good. Salt, pepper I put in, and then in with the meatballs and sausage, he said. Like there's not enough, saturated fat in it already. Sausage and meatballs go in, and there it is. Give them a poach through, and I reckon that's done. So my temptation is, are you there? My temptation is to put some of the cooking water from the pasta in because that's what they all say as well. But it looks like I'm just going to do what Clemenza did, and I'm not going to do that cooking water thing because I think there may be enough sauce. This is just going to dress this pasta. Fingers crossed, and it's quite intense.
Hey, come over here, kid. Learn something. You never know, you might have to cook for 20 guys someday. I love you with all of my heart. If I don't see you again soon, I'm gonna die. How's Paulie? Oh, Paulie, won't see him no more.